Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Well, today we have something very nice for the car. While the spoiler is drying, we are going to install my Maxton design kit, which is going to be nice. It's front splitter for the front bumper, and we're going to install it right away. So let's have a look.
Nadenkmodus.
So I just realized that I have to drill 6mm holes myself in the splitter, only to realize that I don't have a drill bit from 6mm. So I have to go to the store real quickly because it's almost 6 p.m. and I know where to find a drill hole. But yeah, I have to go to the store again and buy a drill bit, and then I can proceed. But it's really not that difficult because they already gave me good screws, because other screws they provide with splitters tend to lose over time. So this is really a good screw. So I'm already happy they provided this. So we only have to get the drill bit and then we can move on. The store must pay pretty well since they're people can buy cars like these. Such a nice car. I think it's the special version with the black spoiler. Yeah, these are very limited. So now I'm going to drill holes here in the splitter, and then I'm going to mark them on the bumper, and then I can start installing the splitter on the bumper. The only thing is I will need to make the bumper a little bit loose underneath, because I will need to tighten these bolts, and I can't reach them without loosening the bumper. And yeah, isn't that gorgeous there to yeah, it's beautiful there, right? The spoiler, it's still drying, so I can't show it yet, but you should actually have already seen it because this video will go live after the spoiler video. But anyways guys, so drilling these holes and then I can install them on the car. So yeah, so we drilled the holes, and now we're just going to mark them on the car and drill the holes in the bumper, and then we're going to mount the splitter. So I hope it's not a shit job as that one. At least we don't have to use glue, because my hands are still a little bit black. Hers are even worse. So yeah, wish me luck. So the new splitter is installed. It's a very easy job. It's just, you have to bolt it in at the bumper, and then just make sure it's a nice fit. Everything fits very nice. It sits very good. Only here it's a little bit loose, because I actually can't secure it with bolts here. I only could secure it over there because there's a lot of junk from the plastic and a fog light over there, so I can't drill a bolt through it. But I bought tape, and I'm going to put it over here, and then I'm going to stuck it on the bumper. But that is something that I'm going to do off screen, because it's it's just putting a little bit tape. But I'm going to wait because it just rained very hard, and the bumper and the splitter is wet, so it really so it wouldn't stick very well, and I have to clean it first. So I'm going to clean the splitter and the bumper in between, make sure it's dry, put in some tape, and then it will be very very secure. Because now normal driving is fine, but if I'm doing like faster speeds, like 150-60 kilometers an hour on the highway, stuff like that, there is getting a lot of air under the bumper, and then it can come loose and or damage the splitter and the bumper. So we should avoid that. But anyway, I'm going to wait until this weekend when it's nice dry weather again, and then I'm going to glue that. I already have the tape, so I'm going to do that off screen. It's not a big thing. But anyway guys, I hope you guys like the splitter. I really think it looks way better now, because now we have the splitter and we have the spoiler, which gives the car a very aggressive looks, and I'm really happy with the result. Looks very nice. Next thing is probably going to be the heavier clutch, and the M side skirts, and then we're going to lower the car and have some nice rims and some original black line LED tail lights. So yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. The front is actually already as I want it to be. It's way better. Imagine this car like 6 months ago, it was a boring ugly front, and now it's actually, you know, it's gorgeous. So anyway guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did, you can always leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.